Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Loop in Outlook. This is a powerful way to share collaborative components directly through email, making it easier to work together with your team in real time. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to loop.cloud.microsoft. Once the page loads, log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to all your workspaces and collaborative pages. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see all your available workspaces and projects. Go ahead and click on the workspace or project you want to work with. This is where all your collaborative content lives, so choose the one that's relevant to what you want to share. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll see a list of pages within that workspace. Click on the specific page you want to use. This page will contain the Loop component that you're going to share through Outlook, so make sure it's the right one. Next, let's create a Loop component. In the content area of your page, type /task. This / command opens up a menu of different component types you can insert. It's a quick way to add interactive elements to your page. From the results that appear, click on Task List. This creates an interactive task list component that anyone with access can view and edit. It's perfect for collaborative work where multiple people need to track progress. Now it's time to fill in your task details. Input a task name that clearly describes what needs to be done. Then assign it to someone by selecting their name, set a due date so everyone knows the deadline, and choose a bucket to organize it properly. These details help keep your team aligned and on track. Once you've entered all your task information, look for the 6 dots icon on that component. This is typically located in the top corner or side of the component. Click on those 6 dots to open a menu with various options for that component. From the menu that appears, click on Copy Page Link to here. This action copies a special link to your clipboard that will allow others to access and interact with this exact Loop component. It's not just a static link, but a live collaborative element. Now, switch over to your Outlook application. Once Outlook is open, click on New Mail to start composing a fresh email message. In the recipient field, input the email address of the person or people you want to share this Loop component with. Make sure you enter the correct addresses so the right people get access. Then, in the body of the email, paste the link you copied earlier. When you paste this link, Outlook will automatically recognize it as a Loop component and display it as an interactive element rather than just a plain URL. This means your recipients can interact with the task list directly from their email. And that's it, you've successfully embedded a Microsoft Loop component into your Outlook email. Now you can click Send to share that email with your recipients. They'll be able to view and edit the task list in real time, making collaboration seamless. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.